Hey YouTube, you can see we're pouring cement for the slabs. We have the chute set up. Got a double chute system. Right now we're pouring the basement. Letting the cement flow in here. We got about 5 inches in this part. And then we're going to pour the crawl space. And we have the steps already set up for a 1-pour system where the steps are formed out. The slab is formed out and the landing is formed out. See the cement. Get the cement down there, we'll level it out, and then over the course of about 4 hours we're going to trowel it, smooth it, and then we're going to cover it up.